Are you look best pellets for smoking? Pellets for smoking are essential for achieving that coveted smoky flavor in barbecue and grilling, making them a must-have for backyard chefs and smoking enthusiasts alike. With a variety of blends, wood types, and performance levels available, choosing the right pellet can significantly impact the taste, efficiency, and ease of your cooking experience. To help consumers make informed decisions, we tested and compared 5 popular pellet options. Product 1. Camp Chef Competition Blend Barbecue Pellets. The Camp Chef Competition Blend Barbecue Pellets offer a versatile mix of maple, hickory, and cherry hardwoods, making them a jack-of-all-trades for smoking poultry, pork, beef, seafood, and even baked goods. These pellets are kiln-dried for low moisture content, ensuring a hot and efficient burn with minimal ash production. Made in the USA, Camp Chef takes pride in using 100% pure virgin hardwoods without oils, chemicals, or binders, delivering a clean and authentic smoky flavor. In performance testing, the Camp Chef pellets excelled in maintaining consistent temperatures and producing a balanced, mild smoky flavor that complements a wide range of foods. Their affordability makes them an excellent choice for budget-conscious users who don't want to compromise on quality. However, the flavor profile may not be robust enough for those seeking intense smokiness for beef-heavy dishes. Additionally, the 20-pound bag is smaller than some competitors, potentially requiring frequent repurchasing for frequent grillers. Product 2. Royal Oak 100% Charcoal Hardwood Pellets. Royal Oak Charcoal Hardwood Pellets stand out with their unique composition of 100% real hardwood charcoal, delivering authentic barbecue flavor with high heat performance. These pellets are water-resistant, ensuring they don't clog augers and remain easy to clean. Designed for use in any pellet grill, they offer a hassle-free grilling experience with a bold, smoky flavor that's perfect for beef and hearty proteins. During testing, Royal Oak pellets impressed with their ability to achieve high temperatures quickly, making them ideal for searing and grilling. The charcoal-based composition provided a deep, rich flavor that enhanced the taste of ribs and brisket. However, the premium price and heavier bag weight, 30 pounds, may be a drawback for casual users or those on a budget. Additionally, while water resistance is a benefit, proper storage is still essential to maintain pellet quality. Product 3. ZRILLS Wood Pellets for Smoker Grill. ZRILLS Competition Blend Pellets offer a balanced, smoky flavor with options for beef, pork, lamb, seafood, vegetables, and baked goods. Made from 100% natural hardwood, these eco-friendly pellets are free from binders or fillers, ensuring clean burning and minimal ash production. With 8,500 BTUs of heat per pound, they provide reliable performance and are crafted in a USA facility to maintain consistent quality. In our tests, ZRILLS pellets delivered a solid burn-to-smoke ratio, producing a mild yet enjoyable smoky flavor. Their versatility makes them a suitable choice for users who enjoy experimenting with different food types. However, the flavor intensity may not satisfy those seeking bold smokiness, and the price is slightly higher than comparable options. Additionally, while eco-friendly, the pellets are manufactured in China, which may be a consideration for consumers preferring locally sourced products. Product 4. Cuisinart Premium Applewood Whiskey. Cuisinart's Applewood whiskey pellets offer a unique blend made from reclaimed liquor barrels and natural wood, promising enhanced flavor for proteins and longer-lasting smoke. These premium pellets are versatile, compatible with pellet grills, gas grills, via smoke tubes, and charcoal grills. The 20-pound bag provides consistent smoke for extended grilling sessions. On testing, the Cuisinart pellets impressed with their ability to infuse food with a distinct Applewood whiskey flavor, making them ideal for pork and poultry dishes. The reclaimed barrel composition adds a unique touch for those seeking specialty flavors. However, the price is on the higher side for a 20-pound bag, and the flavor profile may not appeal to users preferring traditional smokiness. Additionally, while versatile, the pellets require specific setups for gas and charcoal grills, which may not suit all users. Product knife: Kingsford 100% natural hickory hardwood. Kingsford hickory hardwood pellets are made from 100% natural hickory wood, offering a strong and savory flavor profile perfect for beef dishes like ribeye and prime rib. Free from artificial flavors, fillers, oils, and dyes, these pellets deliver authentic, wood-fired taste. They're compatible with all pellet grills and made in the USA with North American ingredients. During testing, Kingsford pellets provided a robust, smoky flavor that elevated beef dishes significantly. Their clean-burning nature and compatibility with various grill types make them a reliable choice for versatile grilling. However, the 18-pound bag is smaller than most competitors, and the flavor intensity may overpower lighter proteins or vegetables. While priced reasonably, frequent repurchasing may be necessary for heavy users.